Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Honda CR-V LX. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.